What if the way we eat could heal our bodies and save the planet at the same time? Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health, where we explore sustainable eating, a movement led by General Z that's revolutionizing food choices for a healthier future. Why General Z cares about sustainable eating? General Z isn't just choosing food based on taste, they want food that's good for the body and the planet. With rising concerns about climate change, food ethics, and health, young consumers are choosing sustainable eating habits more than ever before. The rise of plant-based alternative proteins. One of the biggest shifts is the rise of plant-based diets. Brands like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are thriving because General Z prefers eco-friendly protein sources. And it doesn't stop there. Scientists are now creating lab-grown meat, real meat made without harming animals. 65% of General Z wants to eat more plant-based foods. The alternative protein market is expected to hit $290 billion by 2035. Zero waste ethical eating. Food waste is a massive problem, but General Z is fighting back. More young people are embracing zero-waste lifestyles, using apps to rescue surplus food, and supporting brands that prioritize sustainability. The message is clear: less waste, more mindful eating, the future of sustainable eating. So, what's next? Imagine a world where AI nutritionists create personalized meal plans, vertical farms grow food inside cities, and 3D printers make meals on demand. The future of food is not just sustainable, it's innovative. General Z isn't just following food trends, they're creating them. What do you think about the future of food? Are you ready for lab-grown burgers and AI-designed diets? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Salimat's Holistic Health. Stay healthy, stay mindful, and eat sustainably. Subscribe for more content on food trends, sustainability,